Most people live their lives avoiding discomfort, running from challenges, and clinging to the idea that a peaceful, easy life is the ultimate goal. But what if I told you that this mindset is actually weakening you? That by avoiding difficulty, you're sabotaging your potential? Stoicism isn't a philosophy that promises comfort. Instead, it exposes your weaknesses. It forces you to confront everything you're afraid to face: your fears, your failures, your excuses. It breaks you, but not to destroy you. It breaks you so it can rebuild you stronger. The Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus understood that real growth comes from facing hardships, not avoiding them. They knew that you have to go through the fire to forge character, strength, and resilience. But this process isn't easy. It starts with admitting that you need change, that you need to face what scares you and what's holding you back. Here's your first step: recognize where you've been hiding. Identify the fears you've been avoiding. If this message is starting to resonate with you, hit the like button and subscribe to The Inner Gold. This journey isn't for everyone, but if you're here, you've already taken the first step. Let's keep going. To rebuild yourself stronger, you first have to be broken, and Stoicism doesn't shy away from this truth. The philosophy challenges everything you think you know about control, comfort, and identity. It forces you to confront the harsh reality that most of what you rely on for strength, external achievements, people's opinions, even your own ego, is fragile and unreliable. Epictetus said, "Man is disturbed not by events, but by the views he takes of them." Stoicism reveals how much of your suffering is self-inflicted, how your attachment to outcomes and fear of failure keep you stuck. It's not the world breaking you. It's your refusal to let go of things you can't control. This is the painful part: admitting your weaknesses, realizing that your excuses, your blame, and even your comfort zones are the chains holding you back. Stoicism dismantles those chains by forcing you to confront the uncomfortable truth. The only thing you truly control is yourself, your thoughts, your actions, and your reactions. But here's the reward. Once you're broken, you have a clean slate, a chance to rebuild, not based on what you think the world wants from you, but on what truly matters. If this feels like the wake-up call you've been waiting for, hit the like button and subscribe to The Inner Gold. We're just getting to the good part. Let's keep building. Once Stoicism breaks you down, it doesn't leave you there. Instead, it provides the tools to rebuild yourself into something stronger, unshakable, and true to who you are. This process isn't about becoming perfect, it's about becoming resilient. The first tool is control. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stoicism teaches you to focus entirely on what you can control: your thoughts, actions, and reactions. Everything else? It's noise. This shift frees up mental energy you've been wasting on things outside your grasp. The second tool is perception. The Stoics believed obstacles weren't just problems, they were opportunities. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." When you change how you view challenges, you turn them into stepping stones for growth. The third tool is discipline. Living a virtuous life, one rooted in courage, wisdom, justice, and self-control, becomes your foundation. With discipline, you don't just react to life's chaos. You face it with purpose and clarity. Through these tools, Stoicism rebuilds you into someone who doesn't just survive but thrives, no matter what life throws your way. If you're ready to embrace this transformation, hit the like button and subscribe to The Inner Gold. You've come this far. Let's finish strong. Part 4. Becoming unbreakable. So, now you're rebuilt. But what does it mean to be truly unbreakable? It's not about never facing hardships again. It's about knowing that no matter what happens, you have the tools to handle it. Stoicism doesn't promise an easy life, but it prepares you for a meaningful one. Being unbreakable means mastering fear. Fear no longer controls you. You face it with clarity, knowing it's often worse in your mind than in reality. Embracing failure. Failure isn't a setback, it's feedback. Each stumble becomes a lesson, Each lesson makes you stronger, living with purpose. Your actions are guided by virtue and intention, not by fleeting emotions or external validation. But here's the truth. Stoicism isn't a one-time fix. It's a daily practice. You'll need to remind yourself of these principles every day. You'll need to reflect, adapt, and grow. That's what makes this journey so powerful. It's not about achieving perfection, but progress. Are you ready to commit to this path? If this video has inspired you, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to The Inner Gold, your guide to living with strength, resilience, and purpose. You've been broken, rebuilt, and now you're stronger than ever. But the journey doesn't end here. It's just beginning. Let's continue growing together.